I have my warm weather clothes, my cold weather clothes. I have a light jacket, flat jacket, rain jacket. Wait, does it rain in heaven?
Charlie, you're only going to heaven for a few hours.
Peggy, we are going to heaven for a day. I just want to be prepared. It's our last chance to convince heaven a soul can be redeemed.
Yeah, I wish I could come, sweetie, but I have that thing.
What thing?
The thing with the, God, I'm such a bad
Peggy,
liar.
you're my partner. I need you there with me.
Ugh, fine.
Yes! Mwah!
What's up, hoes? Angie, you bitch, you've been texting me depressing shit all day. I was thinking we could test you up like old times. It's been fucking forever. Here, hold this.
Ah! Oh my god, nope. Give me that. Ugh.
Oh, you can sleep when you're double dead, fuckhead. Come on, what you really need is a recharge, a refiguration,
A responsible night on the town. That's a great idea. Hi, Charlie. That's my wall that you just blew up. It's so nice to meet one of Angel's friends. He never really brings anyone around.
Wonder why?
Yeah, me too. Anyway, Angel and everyone have been working so hard, and I think they deserve to have a little fun.
Whoa, wait, they?
Yeah. Hey, everyone, Angel and his friends are taking you all out on a night of fun and relaxation.
Wait, I'm only here for Angie. Oh, never mind. Let's go.
Make sure they have the best time tonight. Anyway, the portal to heaven should be open right about now. Bye.
Apparently. I'm going out with Angie and I gotta drag your sorry asses along. Don't fucking touch me, you mounted dickhead.
Vaggie, look at this place. It's so clean. Isn't that amazing?
Yup, super cool. Heaven. Wow.
Oh, Charlie Morningstar. My dad got me into this meeting to maybe try Lucifer Morningstar.
Ugh, here we go.
No, we're here for a meeting.
Hi, I'm Emily, the other Seraphim. Though you can call me Eem, Emmy, E, whatever you want. I go by whatever. Welcome to heaven.